Hi guys, what's up? It's me, Jimmy a Geek. So how should you start your web design or web development business? The most easy thing is you should know WordPress. Yes, indeed, yes, you should know WordPress and then you should know basic HTML, CSS and a bit of PHP. Yes, I'm not talking about a big web development business. I'm just talking about the web development business which you will just try to get a client who is only willing to spend $1,000. I mean 1,000 bucks on it. So the simple thing is that just make your business card, put your logo on it, and then just make one of your intro video, upload on YouTube, and then just make 1,000 flyer, which is leaflet or whatever you call pamphlet. Just go to your local business area, knock on the door, and then distribute the flyer. And then just say, do you need site design, do you need web development, do you need website design, do you need web development, and just try to get the client. And then when you land the client, always sign the contract. Never do anything without a contract, and then always try to get a advance, I mean a deposit in the beginning. Because I have a one freaking FFF client. He just tried to be so nice. I say okay, I will get the money when the website will be completed. But indeed he was a big, I don't want to say anything on the cam. He tried to run away with my money, but of course, I'm Jimmy a Geek. The first thing I call him. I say, give me back my money. He said, no. I said, I'm gonna make a lot of videos and then I'm gonna defame your business. And then he said, do it. But I said, why should I waste my money? Why should I waste my time and energy on it? I just go to a shop. I said, are you going to give me the money? If not, just bear the consequence. Simple as that. Do not tell me if I broke you anything. Do not tell me if you got hurt. Just give me the money. But I will I will ask everyone, do not do this. Let the money go. Life is bad thing. A geek and I take it shouldn't involve in any fighting. But sometimes you need to overcome it and then just see whatever the hell is going to happen. So my mistake was I just start trust on him on verbally. So number one, always make a contract, always have some good business card in the contract, always get deposit and just start working on it. In your life you will see a lot of these kind of slum dog clients who will just try to make a fool out of you, but do not become fool out of them. Just make them fool of you. Okay, you got that? I hope you better go. Just print a flyer, distribute at your local business, and then when you go to client, just ask him and tell him everything straight away, and then just tell him unlimited pages. Most probably the client will never ask you more than 5 or 6 pages, because those pages need to have some content. Most of the time the business or the client will never give you enough content. So of course he will only need 3 or 4 pages at the end of the day. And then when you come back to your room, your lab, whatever the hell, wherever the hell you want to do the web design or web development, because web design and web development is same for me in the sense of WordPress. Just make a WordPress. Never try to code a site, custom site, because for $1,000, why the hell? Just buy, go to the themesforest.com, buy a theme, and then try to configure it and sell it. Yes, indeed, you can sell WordPress website as a full feature web development business. But sometimes the client will ask you to customize the theme properly. If you do not have sufficient knowledge of PHP, you will be crying. You will say, oh no, Jimmy Geek told me you can do it, but I can't. Just bear in mind, you could outsource it. You can go to freelancer.com or ordex.com or whatever the call. I don't know, there are many freelancer websites. Just post that task there, and then if the client asks you to code something custom coding, just tell him you will charge him at least $5,000. $1,000 no custom coding. $5,000, yes indeed you will do custom design, but the client should pay money. You will get what you pay for. Okay, number one, print out your business card. Number two, always use the contract for your business. Always get a number three, deposit. Number four, always use WordPress. Number five, always use WordPress theme. Number six, the final, I already told you. If you want the bloody custom code, tell him you will do custom code, but you should pay 5 times more money. Whatever is your rate, all make sure if you're charging $500, you should charge $2,500 for custom code. If you're charging $2,000 for normal WordPress website, you should charge him $10,000 for custom coding website. Why? Just take the money, outsource the work. Even at the end of the day, you will have more money even in custom coding. Do not feel shy. Take it and then figure out later. Yes, indeed, most of you people will say, do not take what you can't do. I said, just take it, even you can't do, and then figure it out. You know, I'm very poor at Flash. I have taken some web development contract, including heavy Flash. Indeed, heavy Flash, which is including heavy Flash. I really suck at Flash. I don't know. I learned Flash back when I was 14, 15 years old in my school, but I forget that I really do not care bloody Flash. I hate Flash to be honest with you. But I told the client, iPad do not support Flash, Android ice cream sandwich above 4 point do not support Flash. Flash right there. Why the hell? Even in the sense of SEO, Flash means nothing. Flash basically is a, it make your website load slower. But he said, no, Jimmy, you couldn't understand. I need Flash, my business, blah blah blah. His business was a lingerie business. Basically, I hope you know it's a woman undergarment business. I said, okay, but I will charge you. I think I shouldn't tell you what did I charge you, but I charge you 5 times more. But he said, okay, I am willing to pay you 5,000, no problem. Plus, I charge him 2,000 extra US dollar for his Flash contract. Basically, for a Flash template which he was asking me to code. I told him I can, but when I go back to my home and then I think, why the hell I have taken this project? This was my first outsource project basically, and then I just Google it and then I find a website called freelancer. I just posted, I just pay him 500 US dollar for a Flash template which my client gave me $2,000, one $1,500 direct profit. From that day on I said no, whatever the hell somebody is giving me I take. Even I make the videos for them. Even I make the Flash. Most of 70% of the time now I outsource it. Only I do bit of tiny work. That's all. Yes, indeed. Yes. Basically, if I really want to go to something high, like my client offered me full custom code website with no WordPress, with a custom CMS. I say I need 1 year to code your bloody custom CM. Rather than I will just code a database, data-driven website. PHP. Okay, I'm not going to build a your damn CMS content management system. Is better. I can custom code a theme for you. No, it's, I don't want to use WordPress. Okay, I say I'm gonna code a dynamic PHP database driven website. I charge him so much money. So it's basically I can say I'll charge him the money which in all year I will just save that amount of money just in one contract. If I feel shy, I say I couldn't do this, I couldn't do that. I never have. Most of the time for that project, I outsource I outsource some of the PHP section. I outsource the CSS layout design, IUX, which is basically the usability and accessibility section to another one, and then SEO I see it, and the over the layout I see it, and then the basic fundamental data driven PHP code I code by myself. Most of the thing I outsource it, and then I had earned basically so much in one content. Still, I like I want that type of client. But if I feel shy, if I say I couldn't even quote, to be honest with you, that amount of money I wouldn't receive. So it's very easy to come in a web design or web development. Designer said do not ever use web design because web design mean a lot of things. Or you say web development, you're a web developer. Basically, I call myself I'm a web engineer. Yes, indeed, engineer. This term is invented by me. This term is not trademark. Even couldn't find a Wikipedia. If you Google this term web engineer, you couldn't. I'm trying my best to trademark this term under a Jimmy Geek. Yes, web engineer. You should become a web engineer, not a web designer or web developer. I'm a web engineer. Okay, subscribe my channel. Before you should go, just make sure if you just want to become or you want to become web developer and launch your business, just do and knock on that door. Never wait for some kind of miracle to happen. Okay, subscribe my channel. Bye, Anara.